Say no to forum spamming. When you are speaking with children, repeating yourself may sometimes be the key to getting yourself heard and understood. But you're not speaking to children when you're posting the same message over and over in forums, are you? Since you're not, isn't it safe to conclude that such tactics won't work? Worse, they can even backfire on you. Here are 5 good reasons to avoid spamming in forums. It annoys moderators. Spamming is considered a black hat SEO technique, and most, if not all, forum moderators do not tolerate it. Other forum members are sure to report you, and when a moderator finally takes notice, you'll certainly have your membership suspended if not revoked immediately and permanently. There are several reasons why spamming will annoy moderators. Firstly, it's their job to keep other members happy, and what you're doing is the opposite. You are, therefore, giving them extra trouble to deal with. Secondly, spamming consumes web space, and web space costs money. Spamming also makes use of bandwidth, and that costs money too. By spamming, you are forcing moderators to spend money on something they don't consider acceptable. It irritates other members. Again, there are plenty reasons why forum members aren't happy with your spamming. First of all, these people consider your messages a waste of time. By posting the same message over and over, you force them to spend precious seconds on just scrolling the window until they reach a message that you haven't posted. You also make back reading difficult for them. Instead of being able to read all the information they need from one page, you force them to load a new one just to get to the next important message. Once members realize that you are knowingly practicing spamming, they won't take your actions lying down. Besides reporting you to moderators, they can also submit your name to concerned agencies that are against unlawful and undesirable internet marketing tactics. They can also spread the word about your not-so-nice marketing techniques, and before you know it, you'll be banned from every forum in the internet. It doesn't work. Adults are different from children. They're already smart and mature enough to understand a simple lesson at the first try. Repeating the same message over and over, as it is unnecessary. Now, if you're practicing spamming in hopes of convincing people to try out your product or service, you're going about the wrong way too. To convince a person, repetition is not needed. Instead, you need to give people different reasons to change their minds. The more reasons you give them, the greater chances you'll have of convincing them to see things your way. But if you stubbornly sticking to one reason, then you'll achieve nothing. Forum marketing strategies to replace spamming. You should be convinced by now of the utter futility of spamming in forums. Don't wait till your online business collapses before you decide to change your ways. Use a different, not to mention legitimate, technique now and you won't regret it. To help you get started, consider providing valuable contribution that showcases your expertise. Choose questions that you can answer as an expert. Get to know other people in the forum and build relationships with them. Post your link in your profile page and signature. Last but not the least, use a cool username to get more attention.
For more content like this, please visit learnforfree.biz.
Content produced and distributed by AllSuperInfo. All rights reserved.
Discover the proven formula for automated sales and success that you can apply to your business in under 30 minutes.
Reserve your seat at allsuper.info/webinar.